Hello dear student, I hope you all are safe and healthy at your home. As you all know, we are on our chapter 4. This is our part 2 and name of the chapter is long and short. When we are talking about length, to measure something we are using some units. Okay? For measurement of length, these are the basic unit which we are going to learn. So, the smallest unit is millimeter. Smallest means when we are talking about when we are measuring very small things. So, we are using this millimeter. See here, the lines between 1 centimeter, 10 thin lines. So, these 10 thin lines are millimeter. Then, centimeter is bigger than millimeter. When we are merging 10 thin lines, जब हम इन 10 thin lines को एक साथ merge करते हैं, so it will become 1 centimeter. See here, 1 to 2. In between this 1 to 2, we have 10 thin lines. After this, we are talking about meter. So meter is what? Meter is bigger than millimeter, centimeter. It is around this much distance, around half board. Around half board it is. So, the scale is of 30 centimeter. 30 centimeter plus 30 plus 30 then 10. So, 100 centimeter. 30 plus 30 60, 60 plus 30 90 and 90 plus 10 100. So, when it cover 100 centimeter, it is equal to 1 meter. Now, after this, kilometer. Kilometer, this is the biggest unit which we are using for long distance. For long distance, it means when you are traveling from one city to another city or from one state to another state, or when you are coming from your home to school, this distance will covered under kilometer. Okay, these are the use. For very small, we are using millimeter. Bigger than millimeter, we are using centimeter. When we are drawing some small pictures, images, so we are using centimeter. And for measuring cloths or small distance, we are using meters. And lastly, kilometer is the biggest unit which we are using for long distance. Okay, now how they are useful, the conversion. So 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. कैसे? See here, मैंने आपको बताया 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. 1 centimeter के बीच में कितनी लाइन्स है? 10 लाइन्स है. तो 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. अभी मैंने आपको बताया 1 मीटर या हाफ बोर्ड 1 मीटर है, इसके अंदर कितने सेंटीमीटर आते हैं? तो 100 सेंटीमीटर आते हैं. मैंने आपको अभी बताया था 30 plus 30 plus 30 plus 10 in this way. तो 1 मीटर is equal to 100 सेंटीमीटर. Now 1 किलोमीटर कितना होता है? तो 1 किलोमीटर होता है 1000 मीटर के बराबर. So they are related with each other in this way. Okay, after this we are going to proceed towards our page number 49 in our textbook.
Come to our page number 49. This is our page number 49 here.
The small scale.
The scale that you mostly use in school is like this one here. This is a scale which we are using in our school. Here, this is our scale. Okay, it is just equal to our scale. See, 0 and 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is equal to our scale. Here some things are given which we have to measure. Here, this hook is around 1 centimeter. This pen is around 2 centimeter. Wood piece, this is around 3 centimeter, and this nail is around 4 centimeter. So, is it easier to start measuring from 0 mark? ये हमारे लिए easy है 0 mark से measure करना. Look at the things drawn near the scale and find out their length. हमें स्केल से इसे मेज़र करना है एंड उनकी लेंथ को फाइंड आउट करना है. What are the little lines on the scale used for this line? These little lines. These are millimeters. Millimeters. These are the millimeters, then centimeter, then meter, then kilometer. This little line we are using to measure small object. Okay, here. So the answer is the little lines on the scale used to measure. यहाँ से लिखना स्टार्ट करना है. The little line on the scale used to measure. यहाँ से to measure small objects. ये है हमारा इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर. Look for things that are about 10 centimeters long, between 10 and 20 centimeters long, and less than 1 centimeter long. आपके सराउंडिंग में जो 10 सेंटीमीटर हैं उनके नाम लिखने हैं यहाँ पर, और 10 to 20 सेंटीमीटर लॉन्ग चीज़ों के नाम लिखने हैं, और less than 1 centimeter. So here about 10 centimeters long things names are mug, spoons, mobile phones. When we are measuring these spoons, it's around 10 centimeters long. And mobile phones also, it's vary, but most of the mobile phones are around 10 centimeters long. Here the things between 10 and 20 centimeter long. So pencil, knife, bottles are around 10 to 20 centimeter long. Less than 1 centimeter long things are and rice, pulses. They all are less than 1 centimeter. Here you have to draw the some things from this mobile phone or mug like this. Here mouse, where are you? यहाँ पर mouse को show किया है, और I am here. Here giraffe and mouse standing together. So mouse is short and giraffe is long. Here we are completing our page number 49. Now come to page number 50 here. How big is my hand? ये गर्ल बोल रही है उसका हैंड कितने बिग है. Measure the length of your thumb and your little finger. Use the scale on this page. यहाँ पर मेज़र करना है फिंगर्स, थम, लिटिल फिंगर और हैंड्स को. कितना मेज़रमेंट है, कितनी लेंथ है. Which is long? थम और लिटिल फिंगर. थम लॉन्ग है क्या लिटिल फिंगर लॉन्ग है. Bring a measuring tape to your class. मेजरिंग टेप आपने देखी है. So here this is measuring tape. On this tape one side centimeter is given and other side inches. Here 60 inches and this side 150 centimeter is given on this tape. Okay, here we are going to measure this thumb. Thumb is, here the measurement is not clear, so what I did, I measured my little finger and my thumb. So which is longer, thumb or little finger? So thumb is longer. So answer is thumb. Bring a measuring tape to your class. So as I shown measuring tape here, this is called measuring tape, which we are using to measure some cloths and things. Guess the length of different part of your body and check if your guess is correct. You can use a scale, string, measuring tape, etc. आपको मेजरमेंट अज्यूम करना है कि कितना मेजरमेंट होगा. यहाँ हमने अज्यूम किया कि हैंड की लेंथ कितनी होगी, तो यहाँ हैंड की लेंथ अराउंड 30 to 40 सेंटीमीटर होगी. हमारे अज्यूमशन पहले हमने अज्यूम किया, फिर मेज़र करके देखना है कि हमारा अज्यूमशन सही है कि नहीं है. आप स्केल यूज़ कर सकते हो, स्ट्रिंग यूज़ कर सकते हो और मेजरिंग टेप यूज़ कर सकते हो. यहाँ पर बताया हैंड को मेज़र करते हुए हेड इस तरह से, फिंगर्स. Here, how will you know now number of centimeter if you measure with a rope, shoestring, thread, etc. So first you can take the measurement of rope, shoestring and thread etc. with scale or measuring tape, then measure from that things. Here we are completing our page number 50. Here on page number 51, a chart is given in which name of body parts are given on one side and your measurement and your friend's measurement you have to write here. Nose, measure your nose, then your friend's nose, around the wrist, your wrist measurement, then your friend's, around the head कितना सेंटीमीटर्स का है वो आपको मेज़र करना है, देन ईयर, देन हैंड, टिप ऑफ द मिडल फिंगर टू रिस्ट. तो आपको इतना मेज़र करना है. ओके, हियर अराउंड द रिस्ट, अराउंड द हेड, इट मीन्स यू हैव टू टेक मेजरमेंट अराउंड योर हेड एंड अराउंड योर रिस्ट. हियर you have to complete this chart with your friends. Compare your measurement with your friends. Here we are comparing the measurement of your body and your friend's body. Who has the biggest head and who has the smallest head? Here I am going to write some measurement, then we are going to answer this question. Here I wrote some measurement which is variable. अगर आप किसी के भी बॉडी पार्ट्स को मेज़र करते हैं तो वो वेरी कर सकता है. आप अपने मेज़रमेंट देखोगे, आपके मदर के, फादर के बॉडी पार्ट्स को मेज़र करोगे तो वो डिफरेंट होंगे. हियर आई जस्ट रॉट हियर सम मेज़रमेंट. कंपेयर योर measurement with your friends. I am going to compare these two. Who has the biggest head and who has the smallest head? So here my friend has the biggest head and I have the smallest head here, right here. Who has the longest hand from middle finger to wrist? So they both have equal wrist. Okay, so here they both have equal wrist. जैसा मैंने आपको बोला कि ये सारे आंसर्स वेरी कर सकते हैं. सभी के बॉडी पार्ट्स का मेजरमेंट अलग अलग हो सकता है, तो यहाँ पर आंसर भी अलग हो सकते हैं. विच इज़ द लॉन्गर, योर ईयर और योर नोज? सो नोज 2 सेंटीमीटर है और ईयर 4 सेंटीमीटर है, तो ईयर लॉन्गर है. Here next question is any of your nail more than 1 centimeter long? तो nails भी वेरी कर सकते हैं. यहाँ nails लिखा नहीं है बट आप मेज़र कर सकते हो. Is any of your nail is 1 centimeter long? So answer is no. Here we are completing our page number 51. We will continue our next page in our next lecture.